Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I am Zulumama and I do all things Zulu, from the language to traditions and the fun we have in our Zulu communities. And yesterday it was Saudi National Day, and we enjoyed ourselves by teaching our kids the games that we used to play growing up. Since it was a no school day yesterday, we were celebrating Saudi National Day. And today we take it back to South Africa. Happy Heritage Day to my fellow South Africans. To celebrate this special day, I'm gonna share with you the games that we played yesterday with our children, and trying to keep our South African traditions and games alive, since we are away from home and our kids are losing out on a chance to learn those games. So we had so much fun yesterday, and I will just let you watch and just tell you the names of the games. It brought so much joy, especially to us as moms, brought back the childhood memories. We had so much fun. And to top it all up, the kids also had so much fun and they requested that we do this again.
Number 9, run, guys, run away, run away. Try and hit someone. Don't move.
Wow, mistake it, no man.
Oh, you don't move. You freeze. You freeze.
Hayi, hlala amathini-ke manje. Lezi ngane zazi i-PlayStation. Awusu madoda. Hey. Oy. Oh. Hey, stack up. Again. Oy. Okay, that's your mama.
Who still remembers this one? Korobela, and it goes like this: Korobela, Jim Korobela, Korobela, Jim Korobela, Korobela, Jim Korobela, Korobela, Korobela. So we also brought some snacks for the kids to enjoy, and we tried to take it way back. We had tennis biscuits, Mari biscuits, and our most favorite was iziqeda. And it took us way back as mothers. And we also had amagwinya. We enjoyed ourselves so much, and we were trying to do something here. Can you take a guess and put it in the comments and let me know, what do you think we were trying to do there with iziqeda? A very big thank you to all the moms for organizing this for us and the kids, and a big thank you to the dads as well for always making everything possible for us and the kids. And with pride and so much joy, today I say Happy Heritage Day, and we have done our part as families living away from South Africa. If you have been in Mzansi Zulumama for some time, you will definitely know this one, because I uploaded a video of my kids and my nieces and nephews playing this game. And it goes like, Ngizophuma la insimbi, ngiphume la amaketanga.
Mommy, what are you waiting to wear? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
So we closed off our afternoon with ingatu, the skipping, and the moms made sure to show off their skills while showing the kids how it's done and how we used to do it. And the moms still have got that skills that we used to have as kids. And we were all so happy to be reminding each other about the games and how they used to be played. We had so much fun. I hope you are having fun too while watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video like we did out there in the playground. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Zulu videos. Nisale kahle.
Bye.